ビル
あれビル
王様の今の
いや、営業を進める
ドバイは石油がほとんど出ないんですよ。
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to CN Tower. Bonjour, bienvenue sur CN. At the north, here on the left, glass panels are below your feet. The sequence 58 seconds to get upstairs, traveling at 22 kilometers, 15 miles an hour. This elevator will stop at the lookout level. If you have tickets to go to the Sky Pod. Michelle? Yeah, sure. Thanks, bye. Sorry, this elevator will stop at the lookout. If you're going to the Sky Pod, there's a separate elevator around the corner on the left-hand side. The glass floor is our lowest observation level. That's also where you'll exit. To get to the glass floor, you can take any set of stairs down. Hey, here we are. If you're a part of the Dash Tour group, head to your right. If you're just heading to observation, you can go around to your left. Okay, have a great time.